Hi everybody, so this is lesson 2 in speaking French from English to French. And before we start, I would like to ask you to give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and also share this video with your friends and also your family, the people that you know that they're trying to learn French. So in the last lesson, in lesson 1, I promised that this lesson we would be looking at numbers, but I changed my mind. Today we are going to be looking at really important things than numbers. Of course, numbers are important and we're gonna look at them in the next lesson, in lesson 3. So this lesson we are going to learn subject, pronouns, and also how to conjugate the verb to be and to have in French. So that's it, let's begin. So in French we have 9 subject pronouns, and I'm gonna be writing here. So everything that is useful that you need to take a note on, I'm gonna be writing here. So these are the French subject pronouns. So you can repeat as I say them. We have we have jo, jo, I, jo, I, and then next we have tu, tu. Tu means you, but informal. Don't use it with grown people or the people that you respect a lot. Next, il. 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 Il is he. Then elle. Il, he, elle. She. Elle. It's like L, the letter L. Elle. On. On. On is we, but informal. Next, nous. Nous. Nous is we, formal. Vous. Vous. Vous is you or you, meaning you can use it to refer to one person or to refer to lots of people. Vous. And lastly we have il. You see that it's il, the same thing as il in he. So it's il. Why? Because we don't pronounce consonants at the end. The S, do not worry about it. Let's just say il. And L. L is they, but we're talking about woman. Woman, or words that are feminine words. We say L. L. So how will we know that? God damn it. That was a video view. So when I say il, I just said he, and I just said they, masculine words. How will we know that we're talking about him or they? Context. Context is what will make you know that we are talking about him or they. Now, what about when we have masculine words and feminine words together? How do we say? We say il. For example, when you see lots of women and just one man, you will say il. It's a rule. You will say il. Il pluriel. Il. Now, let's conjugate the verb to be. So, to be in French. Now, let's conjugate the verb to be. To be in French is être. 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 Now, in present tense, to be, it is like this. je suis. Everything that is useful, I'm going to write here. So as I say, everything is here. Je suis, tu es, il, elle, on est. Now, tu es, il, elle, on est, we pronounce the same. The pronunciation is the same, but it changes. The way we write it is different. You gotta have attention. So you need to take that in consideration. Next we have nous, nous sommes, nous sommes, nous sommes. Vous êtes, vous êtes. You know, vous ends with an S, and et begins with E. So S and E, they join together and form a readable syllable, which is vous êtes, vous êtes, vous êtes. Il, elle, pluriel, sont, ils sont. Ils sont sympas, ils sont gentils. So that's it with the verb to be. Now let's move on to the verb avoir. Avoir is to have. To have is avoir. So j'ai, it's not je, it's j'ai, tu as, il, elle, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, and elles ont. Ils ont, elles ont. Now let's look at some examples. So in the last lesson, we saw animals. We learned how to say animals in French. So let's see some sentences. These are just sentences. They have meaning, but the meaning does not interest us. It's not true. Okay, I'm saying that because I'm gonna be, the first sentence is gonna be je suis un chien. So it's not that je suis un chien. No, it's just a sentence. Je suis un chien. Now you can use it to all the subject pronouns. For example, tu es un chien. Vous êtes un chien. For example, when your friend or your boyfriend is hitting on you, is pissing you off, and you gotta say tu es un chien. You don't even need to use vous, you know, because you are stressed out. So how will you use vous? You will use tu. Tu es un chien. Vous êtes un chien. So that's it in this lesson. And if you like this video, I'm gonna leave my social media here, so you can follow me in Facebook, TikTok, and also don't forget to, if you're watching this on YouTube, you know, hit the notification bell, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the lesson 3, where we will take a look at numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the next lesson. Bye bye.